I've never seen this cut of beef before. Happy New Year, everybody. Today we're going to be cooking this Brahman Hump in the Weber kettle. It's incredibly marbled, incredibly fatty. Apparently it's got texture between beef cheeks and a brisket. So we're going to smoke it like a brisket today in the Weber kettle. And I guess we'll see how it goes. It's pretty thick on this side. A little flap here, so I'm going to cut the flap off. Cut some of that off. Remove that as best as I can. She is all seasoned up. Let's go to the smoker. This kettle is now running at around about 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is where I kind of want it to sit for the entire cook. It's got my heat source sitting over here, 2 chunks of Ironbark and the snake running the whole way around. Brahman Hump. Brahman Hump is going to go right on the opposite side. I'm going to set it just this way. Fat cap. Got the little offcut, just going to sit there as well. Then got the fat cap, which I'm just going to put right here, blocking some of that direct heat. Got the lid on. We're going to let this one ride for about an hour. We'll come back and check it, give it a spritz. Wouldn't be a little cooking video if we didn't have a yard update. Let's take a squiz. All right, old man's forced me to finish putting little border around, as he is digging a trench. Letting the experience just do the work. Snake is about halfway through. Where are we at? It's pretty good. I've got them both sitting there probing at around about 165. Not going to take any more smoke on, so let's give it a wrap so that way it speeds up the rest of the cook. All right, off she goes back in the smoker until she's probing tender. So we're now just going to let this one steam off a little bit just to stop that cooking process. We're then going to wrap it back up. We're going to keep it warm until we're ready to slice. We'll be back when that's ready. Turns out I forgot to turn my microphone on, so instead you get a voiceover. I'm not really good at lip reading, so let's just make this up as we go. Here I'm probably describing that this is absolutely a beefy smell and just looks absolutely amazing. Really, really similar texture to a brisket flat. Next I'm just going to eat it, and I'm going to just put some sounds in here, because why not, where I'm going like wow, whoa, whew. Sounds just like that. I'm in my pajamas because this is after I was putting the kiddo to bed, so technically this is dessert beef, and I recommend everybody has dessert beef.